Welcome to Road Signs for Driving Tests. Are you ready to test your road sign knowledge? Whether you're preparing for your driving exam or just want to sharpen your road skills, you're in the right place. In this video, we'll walk you through 50 essential road signs that every driver needs to recognize. Stay ahead on the road by liking, subscribing, and turning on notifications so you never miss a crucial driving tip. Let's get started. This is the stop sign. It means you must come to a complete halt before proceeding. This is the yield or give way ahead sign. It warns drivers to slow down and yield to oncoming traffic. This is the no entry sign. It strictly prohibits entry beyond this point. This is the no U-turn sign. Vehicles are not allowed to make a U-turn at this location. This is the one-way traffic sign. It designates that traffic must only move in one specified direction. What does this road sign indicate? A. No entry sign. What does this road sign mean? B. Yield or give way ahead. 3. Can you identify this road sign? A. No U-turns for vehicular traffic. This is the lane ends merge, left sign. It indicates that the left lane is merging, requiring drivers to adjust their positioning. This is the detour ahead sign. It alerts drivers to an upcoming detour from the usual route. This is the no pedestrian sign. Pedestrians are not permitted beyond this point. This is the yield ahead sign. It warns drivers that a yield sign is coming up, requiring them to slow down and give way. This is the mini roundabout sign. It indicates a small circular intersection designed to improve traffic flow in low-speed areas. This is the school crossing sign. It warns drivers to slow down and watch for children crossing the road. This is the T intersection sign. It signals that the road will end, requiring a left or right turn. What does this road sign indicate? B. Mini roundabout. What does this road sign represent? C. No pedestrians. What does this sign indicate? B. Detour ahead. This is the no left turn sign. It prohibits making a left turn at this location. This is the zebra crossing sign. It designates a pedestrian crossing area. This is the end of no parking zone sign. It indicates that the no parking restriction has ended. This is the keep right of obstacles sign. It instructs vehicles to navigate to the right of an obstacle. This is the no motorcycles sign. It prohibits motorcycles from using this road. This is the no overtaking sign. It instructs drivers not to overtake other vehicles. What does this sign tell drivers? B. End of no parking zone. What does this road sign mean? A. Keep right of obstacles. Can you identify this road sign? B. No motorcycles. This is the end of all restrictions sign. It indicates that all previous road restrictions have now ended. This is the chevron left sign. It advises drivers of a sharp curve to the left. This is the traffic signals ahead sign. It warns that a traffic light-controlled intersection is coming up. This is the hairpin curve ahead sign. It indicates an upcoming sharp hairpin turn. This is the checkerboard sign. It warns of a sharp turn or the end of the road. This is the no right turn sign. It prohibits making a right turn at this location. What does this road sign indicate? A. Traffic signals ahead. What does this road sign mean? B. Hairpin, curve ahead. What does this road sign indicate? C. Checkerboard. This is the roundabout sign. It indicates that a circular traffic flow is ahead. C. Checkerboard. This is the roundabout sign. It indicates that a circular traffic flow is ahead. This is the right turn only sign. It mandates that vehicles must turn right at this point. This is the crossroads ahead sign. It warns of an upcoming intersection where multiple roads meet. This is the contraflow bus lane sign. It designates a bus lane that operates opposite to normal traffic flow. This is the height restriction ahead sign. It indicates that vehicles exceeding a certain height cannot pass. This is the stop ahead sign. It warns drivers that a stop sign is approaching. This is the wrong way sign. It alerts drivers that they are moving in the wrong direction. This is the construction ahead sign. It warns of an upcoming construction zone requiring caution. This is the straight through only sign. It directs vehicles to continue moving straight without turning. Can you identify this road sign? B. Crossroads ahead. What does this road sign mean? A. Construction ahead. What does this road sign indicate? B. Contraflow bus lane. This is the road works ahead sign. It alerts drivers about upcoming road construction or maintenance work. This is the left turn only sign. It mandates that only left turns are allowed at this location. This is the keep right sign. It instructs vehicles to stay to the right. This is the no stopping sign. It strictly forbids stopping at any time. This is the school zone sign. It marks the beginning of a school zone where lower speed limits may apply. This is the railroad crossing crossbuck sign. It alerts drivers of an upcoming railroad crossing. This is the slippery road sign. It warns drivers to proceed cautiously as the road may be slippery. This is the weight limit sign. It prohibits vehicles above a specified weight from using this road. This is the end of speed limit zone sign. It indicates that the speed limit restriction no longer applies beyond this point. What does this road sign mean? B. School zone. Can you identify this road sign? C. Slippery road. What does this road sign indicate? B. Railroad crossing, crossbuck. This is the divided road intersection ahead sign. It warns of a divided road intersection ahead. This is the reserved bicycle lane sign. It designates a bicycle lane exclusively for cyclists. This is the speed limit sign. It displays the legal speed limit for the road. This is the rumble strip sign. It alerts drivers to grooved or raised patterns on the road that create vibrations and noise when driven over. This is the keep left sign. It directs vehicles to stay to the left at all times. This is the keep left of obstacles sign. It instructs drivers to move to the left of an obstacle. This is the road narrows sign. It warns drivers that the road ahead will become narrower. Awesome job going through these 50 must-know road signs. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss more essential driving tips.